Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about partial fractions. So I will put 8 over s minus plus b over s minus 2. Next, we do common denominator. So capital A multiplied by s minus 2, capital B multiplied by s, and we have s multiplied by s minus 2. This one we have as minus 2a. Next, I need to arrange based on the term of s. So this one we have a plus b. We see that we have only number 1 in here, so coefficient of this one, that's about negative 2a equals to number 1. We don't have s, that means a plus b equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. So a equals to negative 1 over 2 and b equals to 1 over 2. So we put the value of a and b on here. A that's about negative 1 over 2. B that's about 1 over 2. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one in here, we have about 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s minus 2, and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.